Grilled chipotle lime chicken thighs. Big flavor, easy on the grill. This is how I do it. Full recipes linked below. Salt, pepper, garlic, a few spices. Shake it up. Let's build some flavor. I'm starting on direct heat, skin side down. You get a nice crust, some color. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna flip it, let that go 5 minutes, then let it finish off the heat. After 5 minutes on each side, slide these over to the cooler side and let these finish until they reach an internal temp of 170. And while the chicken finishes cooking, this is where we build the flavor. First up is a quick chipotle-honey glaze. Rough chop the chipotle, everything goes together. Blend it smooth and let it simmer a few minutes, smoky sweet with just a little heat. To balance that out, a lime and roasted garlic crema. Squeeze it out, mash it up, whisk this together, and keep it loose enough to drizzle. Once the chicken's off the grill, this is where it all comes together. Start with the chipotle glaze, just enough for heat and sweetness. Then a little of the lime and roasted garlic crema to balance it out. Let's see how these grilled chipotle lime chicken thighs came out. The first bite is balanced. You get warmth from the chipotle, but it never hits you up front. The crema keeps everything smooth and fresh all the way through. It's always good cooking with you. If you're new here, hit subscribe for more easy to follow recipes that you can make right at home. And as always, keep it bold, keep it spicy, and until next time, adios.